Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? I hope everybody's staying blessed and safe. But that being said, guys, today I'm going to check out this potential car. Let's see. So today I'm going to check out this potential car I think we could get to in the spring or maybe later this winter. It's a early 2000 Crown Vic. Has engine problems. It comes with an engine, and I'm gonna go up there, check it out more. The guy seems pretty interested in letting me buy it. I want to buy it. I talked him down a little bit, so keep my fingers crossed. I'm going to bring you guys along so you guys can check it out, and maybe later we could talk numbers together so you guys can see what I think about when I go look at these vehicles. Or I could just, we could just have a good time, man. We don't always have to talk about numbers in business. It's not necessary. So I'm gonna bring you guys back when I get to the car, so stay tuned. We are here, Waukegan Auto Auction. Me personally, I really don't deal with car auctions like that. It's just not for me. You get the best deals at like dealer auctions, so that's that. But I found the special one, so I'm gonna show you guys something. Stay tuned.
Matter of fact, before you put the motor in there, you can change the these right here, the pulleys.
Little pulleys.
Change. So you won't have to go put some new spark plugs in. That's what I was gonna do once they change it.
Okay, so now I'm at the yard. They let me in the back. It's off limits right now, but they let me through. Cool people. It's communication, networking. Man, listen, the best deals are always off the market. And I believe that, and I stand firm on that. That's when it comes to real estate. That's when it comes to cars, everything. Everything is the best when it's off market. We got a Tahoe Interceptor over there. It's pretty nice. But these cars they personally looked at, and they don't deem them to be worthy. They don't deem them to be worthy of repair. So they end up public auction. That's why I don't personally think that public auction vehicles are worth it, in my opinion. You can prove me wrong, get you a little car from the auction. But I mean, me as a person who works on vehicles, I could still move forward with some of these vehicles. Make a little quick buck off of it, or for personal use. Got another Crown Victoria. Yep. I'm already knowing they plowed it in.
You see all the way back there?
Yeah, that's.
They moved it from right there.
Oh, they moved it from right there.
Yeah, they put it over there.
Okay.
So yeah, you can shovel that motherfucker.
So they said give it about 2-3 weeks until it.
Yeah, like
Cause the weather will get better by then, anyways.
It's gonna be here, I think. The title is in there, so everything, the keys, the title, everything. It's just so cold.
Shit, it was better than the weekend.
Man, I wish you would've came last week before they even. I wonder why
they dug it in like that.
The reason he did it, I ain't coming like 5 days, 4 days, 3 days. Like 5 days.
This is gonna be on the auction pretty soon when they fix it up.
With different.
Yeah, all of these.
No, these dealerships.
Oh, okay.
They want like 12, 13,000.
It's an F350.
Yeah, go right there. You can't even see it because.
Oh, hell no.
It's under that.
Yeah.
No, it's not under. It's right here. See how he did it? It's kind of under there. Yeah, you build it in the stagger right there.
Oh, right there, yeah. She's in there.
You got boots on?
Yeah.
Right there. You can move.
Yeah, she's in there.
You see what I was talking about?
Uh-huh. The paint's so damn clean though. The paint job is clean.
You think you can do it?
No, I just said the paint job is clean.
Yeah. It's been here for like a year or so. Take your time, you know.
Yeah. All right, cool. Oh, it's locked. No, it's cool. Hey, it's the door locked, so yeah, it's locked. It's cool. Uh-huh. So it's gonna need some tires. Yeah, it's good. So yeah, man, this is the Crown Vic. It's gonna get had. Let me step back, show y'all. This is her, man. Oh yeah, it's gonna take a couple motherfucking weeks for that. Oh, they done dug it in, y'all. Dang. Look at this. Look at this. Dang. Oh, that's cool though, man. So that's gonna be that's gonna be an easy flip, man. I'm gonna buy that. It's come with the engine too. It's gonna come with the engine too. That's perfect. Oh, they got the trucks coming in. They gonna be flipping trucks. They getting to the money. They are getting to the money out here. I wonder, can y'all see me? It's so dark. This thing is a beast. Listen, I'm 6 foot. When your truck is this big, look, working on that thing is probably a pain. So listen, that vehicle's gonna need new tires. Swap that engine out. Then still gonna be a mystery on what everything else is like. The battery, you know, is crap. But I know how to get all that stuff figured out. And if we get this project, I'm gonna keep y'all updated on how to do everything on a budget. We're gonna turn up, and the profits is gonna go to a new laptop, so that when I edit these videos, you know what I mean, I can start editing my videos a lot better than when I do on my phone. So stay tuned for that. Just let you guys see this. Now this is a police interceptor. Good tires, real good tires. So I'm finna go up front, talk to them, let them know I like the car. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm finna talk some more numbers with them. Oh, my truck is filthy. My truck is absolutely filthy. Okay. Oh yeah, my truck is filthy, guys. I might go get her washed just to get the salt off, man. I think she deserves it. Look at this. Oh, almost fell. But let me show you really quickly. Look at this. terrible. Weird, man. Oh, let me sit you guys down. All right. So that was that. We took care of business. I think it's a go, man. I'm gonna show some more pictures of it back before it was snowed in. They said give them 2 to 3 weeks for the snow to soften up, the weather to get warmer. And we're gonna take care of that. Probably was kind of weird, man, washing your car middle of a snowstorm. Not snowstorm, but just a snowstorm. But I had to take care of my baby, y'all. She's been taking care of me, defying a lot of odds I set for her. So the least I could do, get her washed up. Wash that too. That's cool. Okay, man, listen, today I took care of a lot of stuff, man. Got my car washed, checked out that other car, saw the situation it's in, talked the date in and when we'll get the vehicle. They say in about three weeks, the weather should have calmed down a lot. We can go get it. I agree with that. I got the money ready. The seller is eager to get that car off his hands. Everything is blessed. Now I have to worry about getting an engine hoist, all that kind of good stuff. But that being said, I'm finna just go to the gym, relax, stay great. That's my plan for today. And hit that like button, comment something nice down below. Be nice to your boy. So comment something nice down below, and most importantly, man, just stay beautiful. Peace.